So to log on to the tool, we will again, as with our other software tools, come into our main website, come into the menu here, software tools. We will look for a software list, log in, click on that. And over here, the software that we are looking for is live video mockup taboo. So we will log in right here. So if we click right here, this page will open up. Here I'm using my son's ID and password to log in. Click right there. And there you go. I'm basically inside the software. I have a ton of templates here to use, and as you know, live video mockup taboo enables you to add your logos, images, and so on to any moving live action scenes. And the beauty of all of this is that it attracts people's attention, and the ability for you to immediately increase interaction and engagement from people. You know that in today's social media, when people are actually scrolling through their feeds, you can't really upload gifts and things like that. But what you can do is upload these live mock-up videos that we are about to show you how to do using this software right here, so that people can get amazed with your videos that you create using this software, and so that they can actually click on the links that you want them to click on. So let's just go ahead and dive right in and check it out how we can create a video using this software. So here are all the templates that you can use. I'm just gonna take this template as an example. This is the template video that they have, so I'm just gonna use it to create my video. What I want to do, again, I will just create something very quick for my wife's beauty salon. So what I'm gonna do here is just select an image. I'm gonna pick this one with all the nail looking beautiful there to promote the nail services of the salon. Then I'll just leave this same song over here, or music, or I can select any other by just clicking on this plus sign, but I will want to leave this one, and you will understand why. And the video is ready to start rendering. So very quickly you will see that this will be ready to go. As you can see, the video is complete now. It took just a few minutes to complete. As you can see, there's a nice image inside the water pouring in a glass effect to nicely promote the salon. So the video is ready. I can download it, and you can start putting it up using this live video Mockup Taboo software. And here is another video that I also did in just a matter of minutes to promote this software actually. So as you can see, gives it that clap logo reveal effect. So it's ready. I can download it and also just start using it in my live action scenes through social media and everywhere else.